Dolo Vacation Rentals, speaking on behalf of Dolo Entertainment. Right now in this YouTube video here that you are watching right now, I am in the process of removing my AC shroud. You might notice me in a time-lapse version of a video unscrewing the top AC shroud. Mine specifically take 4 Phillips screwdriver or Phillips nails, Phillips style nails to remove. It's very quite simple. Ready to prep and clean the AC shrouds to prep it for painting. Right now you might see me spraying down the plastic material with a nice cleaning solution, and then I might even sand these products to make sure that the paint adheres and bonds and sticks to the surface once I hit it with that first coat. Now I have successfully painted the first 2 coats on this AC shroud. Right now I'm letting the AC shroud dry before I apply the 3rd coat. Alright, what's going on everybody? So I'm up here at the RV storage unit. Just finished painting these AC shrouds, both of them, with a couple coats of spray paint. Man, hard work, like I'm a car mechanic out here or something. And yeah, about to go ahead and throw these back up top on the rooftop, get up out of here, get something to drink, get hydrated. It's real humid out here, you know. So yeah, stay tuned. Charging my phone up right now. Show y'all how it looks after I get it all back up. When doing a job like this, you always want to make sure to stay hydrated. It can get really hot outside, and also paint, the fumes in the air can also affect with your breathing. So I'm not wearing a mask in this video, but I highly recommend wearing a mask when doing anything that's painting related. Don't do what I did. When climbing up a ladder like this, it's always safe to have someone there to spot you or even hold the ladder for you. Alright, so we're up here. Got this up here. Gotta get these screws screwed in. 1 second. Alright y'all, so we up here, we on the roof with it. Got that part on there, over there if you see it. Now I'm putting that big AC shroud back on, back installing it. Man, look how hot we are. Let me hurry up so I can get down. But yeah, I'm about to put this back on there, attach it with these 4 screws, and we on the popping. Stay tuned. Just like that, this project is complete. Not perfect by any means, but it's perfect for us and hopefully for our renters. And it was a fun project, and I had lots of fun doing this. I'm looking forward to the next project on the Paradise. Okay, and that just about wraps up this video. I will be posting more content on the Dolo Entertainment YouTube page on a weekly basis. Not just vacation rentals, but also Sponsor Club, Paradise Club, Media Creations, Shop Dolo, and of course Ain't That Lido. So please stay tuned, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.